It's not only humans who have to knock on the door when they're locked outside and want to come in. Cats also have their own unique ways and styles of knocking. Watch the video closely to see how they do it. And when nobody answers straight away, he gets frustrated and knocks louder.
Я влюбился в эту пу, подписал контракты, чтобы с ней потрапить, чтобы ее трахнуть. Я начал снимать хату. Любовь, любовь.
There you go.